Hi guys, picking up where we left off, we're going to do post order, traverse the left subtree, traverse the right subtree, and then visit the root. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 10, 9, 7. 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 10, 9, 7. 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 10, 9, 7. So you get it? Left, right, root. Now note, a tree has exactly one parent per node. So it's not like a family tree. Root has no parent. So the root node has no parent. So you'll notice here, 7 is our root node. It has no parent. Now a leaf is an interior node. A subtree is a node together with that part of the tree containing all its descendants, being everyone beneath a specific node, including grandchildren, great-grandchildren, etc. Now, if there's n nodes in your tree, how many subtrees do you have? N. Right? And this might turn out to be an exam question, so make sure you know this. Right? The root itself is included. A tree is a subtree of itself. Binary tree. A tree in which each node has no more than 2 children. Self-similarity is a recursive structure where the pieces are defined to be the same as the whole. A single node tree qualifies as a binary search tree. Recursion, where P is defined in terms of P prime, right? 2 major pieces of the recursive solution. Base case, or degenerate case, which is the specification of a solution to a trivial or very small form of the problem. And the recurrence relation, specification of a solution to a larger version of the problem in terms of a solution to a smaller version of the problem. So P prime is a smaller version of problem P, and P is being sort of defined in terms of that. So when you call it, it's defining itself basically, and there can be more than one base case. So to illustrate recursion, we've made this little diagram, and data members of a class should be private. A recursive method calls itself. So method 1 calls recursive method 2. Method 2 is the recursive one here, so we have method 1 invoking method 2. Method 2 calls itself however many times it needs to until it reaches the base case, and then it returns the value to method 1. And that's it for the IT-114 tutorials, guys. So please, in the comments below, let me know what you guys think, especially those of you taking the IT-114 class. And again, especially those of you taking it with Dr. Halper, programming Android applications. I'd love to hear how it's going. And definitely let me know if there's anything I could do better, if there's anything else you want to see on the YouTube channel. Definitely let me know if there's a specific course that you're taking that you're struggling with. I can't promise that I've taken it, and so I really can't promise that I'll make a tutorial video series for it. But I could try to do my best to help out or to point you in the direction you may need, or that may help you to achieve your goals faster. And that's really what these are about, guys. These are about helping you to achieve your goals, and just really giving you the edge you need, especially at NJIT, to do really well in these courses, and hopefully to kickstart some of the people that are beginning computer programmers or beginning computer scientists or information technology or information systems people, and giving them sort of the edge in, helping that transition between high school and college, especially if your high school wasn't very technical. And just please like and subscribe, and like I said, definitely let me know in the comments. If you're part of NJIT, definitely shoot me an email if you have a question about anything I've discussed here in the tutorial. And like I said, don't freak out if some of this stuff covers things that you haven't learned yet in the class. Unless it's the day before the final exam, you may not have touched on, a few of the different concepts. So keep that in mind, that this is meant to be a final review sheet, but by no means does that have to be its only use. You definitely review it before the midterm. I'm not sure how much on here would help you with that, but there's got to be some stuff. And again, feel free to let me know what you think in the comments below, and please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you in the next tutorial series.